In traditional steel fabrication, one workpiece goes through multiple steps: marking, cutting, drilling, gouging, stamping, and more. Each step takes time, labor, and space. Errors increase and efficiency drops. Do we really need all these steps? In traditional production, manual marking, labor-intensive and error-prone. Plasma cutting, then gas cutting, slow and complex. Gouging, low efficiency, poor quality. Drilling, separate machines and extra handling. Now meet the MORN Laser HD Series H-beam laser cutting machine. One machine, one setup, one operation. It completes everything in one pass. Cutting, holes, marking, all in one pass. This is more than an H-beam cutter. It's a multifunctional system. 3 workstations in one. Flat cutting station for plates up to 6,000 by 2,500 millimeters. Profile cutting station for H-beams up to 1,200 by 600 millimeters. Tube cutting station for pipes up to diameter 450 millimeters. It also processes angle steel and channel steel with ease. One machine, multiple profiles, maximum flexibility. At the core is an intelligent control system designed for structural steel. It supports automatic cutting, beveling, marking. Material utilization reaches over 99%. Smarter, faster, and more efficient processing. Equipped with an intelligent cutting head for high-power applications. With real-time monitoring, anti-collision protection, and stable performance. It ensures precise and reliable cutting for all types of structural steel. Traditional marking is manual, slow, and prone to errors. This solution changes everything. Integrated with Tekla and nesting software, drawings can be imported, nested, and processed in one click. During cutting, the machine automatically marks part names and welding positions. No manual marking, no second processing. A fully automated workflow from design to production. Let's talk results. Compared to traditional processing, machining processes reduced by 62.5%. Labor reduced by nearly 75%. Just 2 operators, one for nesting, one for the machine. Material storage space reduced by 60%. Fewer WIP buffers, less handling. This isn't just incremental improvement. It's a step change in productivity. The HD Series H-beam laser cutting machine. Built for heavy steel and high efficiency. One machine for beams, plates, and tubes. Ready to upgrade your production? Contact MORN Laser today.